Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to get your Okta client ID. Alright, so first up, you want to log into your Okta account. Now once you're in here on your dashboard, just go to the top right and click on admin. Okay, just click on it, wait for the next page to load. And once it loads, it will ask you for the Okta Verify code. Okay, just go ahead and open up your Okta Verify app and enter the code in here. For example, this one, and just click on verify. Okay, wait for it, and in the next page, sometimes it will ask you for your password. Just go ahead and enter your password, and once done, you'll be landed in this page. In here, just go to the left panel and go ahead and find the applications. Here we have the drop down, just click on it. Now go ahead and click on applications once more. Just click on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, as you can see here, under active integrations, you'll be able to see client IDs right here. As you can see, for example, for Okta Workflows, you have that in here, and Okta Workflows OAuth, you have that in here. And that is it. That's how you find or get the Okta client ID. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.